This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in the browser because this is the only reliable way to change text size across Notion. Open the page you want and use browser zoom right away. For example, press Ctrl and plus or CMD and plus until text is comfortable. Make sure to check the page menu and turn off any small text option so zoom increases actual readable type. Once done, leave the page, sized roughly 110–150%, to preview how content wraps and flows. Now fine-tune the look. Pick a specific zoom percentage in your browser settings so every page matches. 110 or 125% is usually readable without breaking layout. Make sure full width is set the way you prefer because line length affects perceived size. Switch it on or off to compare. Also use Notion heading blocks when you need larger, structured text. Headings scale independently and help readability. Make sure to test several pages so spacing and line breaks remain comfortable. Finish by adopting shortcuts so you can toggle sizes quickly. Ctrl or CMD and plus to increase, to decrease, 0 to reset. If you encounter layout issues, images cropping or blocks overflowing, try switching to the Notion desktop app or alter your operating system display scaling instead. If text becomes blurry after zooming, disable or enable hardware acceleration in the browser or test another browser. That usually resolves rendering problems. If problems persist, reset zoom and reapply a slightly different percentage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.